In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add own songs to Spotify. If you've got music files on your computer or phone, maybe old MP3s, demos, or recordings, you can play them right inside Spotify by turning on local files and pointing Spotify to where your songs live. Here's how to set it up smoothly. Start by opening the Spotify app. Click your profile icon in the top corner and open Settings. This is where we'll enable access to your personal music. Scroll down until you find the section called Local Files. Turn on the switch labeled Show Local Files. This tells Spotify to look beyond streaming and include audio files stored on your device. On desktop, you'll now see an option called Add a Source. Click that, then choose the folder where your music files are saved, like your music folder or any custom location. Spotify will scan that folder and make the compatible tracks available to you. Keep in mind, supported formats include MP3, M4P without DRM, and MP4 audio. If a track was purchased with copy protection, it won't appear. On mobile, there are a couple of permissions to allow so your files show up. In Spotify settings, turn on downloads and allow music library access. Also, make sure your songs are actually saved on your device, not just in the cloud. If you're syncing from desktop to mobile, both devices may need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for the local files to show up reliably. To find your added songs, head to your library. Look for a playlist called Local Files, open it, and you'll see all the tracks Spotify found in the folder you selected. From here, you can press play right away or add any of these songs to your existing playlists, just like regular Spotify tracks. This is a great way to keep everything in one place and build mixes that combine streaming music with your personal collection. If your songs don't appear, try a quick restart of Spotify, double check that the files are in a supported format, and confirm you picked the correct source folder. Also remember that files need to be stored on the device you're using for them to show up. And that's it. You can now listen to your own music files directly on Spotify and organize them alongside your favorite playlists. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.